Hello traders, welcome to today's live trading session. So once again, this is Paul Mendoza, your trading analyst for today. So before we start, please let me know if you can hear me well. Kindly type 1 sa atin pong live chat box. Alright, so let's just wait for or other participants before we begin with our today's session. Hello, Rana Said from Burundi. So thank you for tuning in for our today's live trading session with me. Hi to you as well, Kasidi Severa. All right, so again, before we begin, I would like to remind every one of you na kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapasok or hindi pa po kayo nakakapag-subscribe sa ating Telegram channel, so makikita niyo po yung link ng Telegram channel po natin sa description box. So kung gusto niyo pong magkaroon ng access sa ating Telegram channel, especially for the Philippine Octa, for the Philippine Octa team, so sa loob po nung Telegram channel na yun ay magkakaroon po kayo ng access sa iba't ibang updates at sa iba't ibang mga latest trends, updates, and events. As well as, meron din pong somehow, mga quizzes para po sa mga subscribers po nung Telegram channel na yun. So, doon po, pwede po kayong mag-interact. At paminsan-minsan po, nagkakaroon po ng mga engagement po para sa mga traders. Doon po sa loob ng Telegram channel na yun. Okay? And let me also remind every one of you na kung sakali po na magde-deposit po kayo sa inyong trading account using the Octa trading platform, so you may use this promo code which is PaulJM100. So kapag po ginamit nyo tong promo code na to, ay magkakaroon po kayo ng deposit bonus. Okay? Alright, so again, let me know if you can hear me well. Please type 1 po sa ating live chat box before we begin. Alright, salamat po sa mga nagta-type ng 1. Okay, so to begin for our trading session for today, what we are going to do before anything else again, as usual, is to check the economic calendar. So later at 8:15 p.m. Philippine time, so meron po tayong ADP employment change. So a high reading for this one is traditionally seen as positive or bullish for the US dollar. So ang forecast po or ang ina-expect po ng mga economists is 150. So kapag po nag 150 and above, yung resulta po nito mamaya, so this will be a high reading or this will be a positive effect. This will give a positive effect para po sa USD. So kapag po nag 150 and above siya mamaya, So pwede po nating i-expect na magkakaroon po ng um, upside momentum si USD. And we also have sa CHF naman po or sa Swiss franc. So meron po tayong speech ni Chairman Jordan. So of course, katulad po ng mga pinag-aralan natin last time, kapag po maganda yung naging outlook ng speech niya, magkakaroon din po yon ng magandang epekto po sa Swiss franc. So this speech is often used by traders as an opportunity to extract loss. So depende po sa speech niya kung magiging bullish or bearish po si CHF. So mamaya po yung 8:40, and then we also have manufacturing, ISM manufacturing PMI. So ang forecast po is 49. So kapag po ang resulta po nito is above 50, so seen as positive po siya or bullish for the US dollar. But if the result turn out to be below 50, and this will be seen as negative or bearish. So yan po yung for today. Then for tomorrow, Thursday, so we have the Fed monetary policy statement sa US dollar. We also have the interest rate decision. So itong mga pinag-aaralan natin are the high impact news. Okay? So we also have the FOMC press conference. So by the way, this will be at 2. Both these two are at 2, and then yung FOMC press conference naman po is at 2:30. Then we also para sa CAD naman po or sa Canadian dollar, so meron din po tayong high impact news. So magkakaroon po ng speech si Governor Macklem. So, katulad po siya nung dito sa CHF kanina. So again, depende po sa magiging speech nila kung ano po yung magiging outlook para sa currency na to. Okay? Then we also have the trade balance po sa AUD. So dito po inaaral natin yung trade balance, which is the import and export. Then again for the CHF again, consumer price index at 3:30 p.m. Then after that, we have para naman po sa GBP, so asset purchase facility, then we have the BOE interest rate decision para din po sa GBP at around 8 p.m. So same high impact news for tomorrow. Right? This is for tomorrow. Then after that, we also have this sa pound pa rin po. So MPC vote rate and change. Then we also have a vote rate cut para sa GBP pa rin po. So kung mapapansin nyo po, same time lang po silang lahat, right? So at around 8 p.m. po tomorrow, magkakaroon po ng um, bullish or bearish sentiment si GBP. So again, this is high impact news. So kung hindi po kayo komportable na mag-trade ng high impact news, then avoid trading 2 hours before and after the high impact news. 1 to 2 hours. Okay? Then we also have BOE minutes. And then MPC vote rate hike. Then after that, pagkatapos po ng 8 p.m., meron po siyang kasunod at 8:30. So meron naman pong BOE's Governor Bailey speech. Okay, then after that, so ito na po pala yung katapusan po ng for tomorrow. Then for November 3 on Friday, so ito po marami-rami rin. So meron po tayo ditong unemployment change sa CAD. Then we have net change in employment. So change in employment naman po at 8:30. So ito pong isang to is unemployment rate. So dito po natin pinag-aaralan yung um, unemployment ng isang currency o ng isang bansa. Then again, as we all know, kapag po mataas yung naging resulta nito, which is 5.6% and above, then it is unemployment, and that means it's a negative news for the CAD. So as we can see here, a high or an increase is seen as negative or bearish. Then after that, we have the net change in employment. So ito naman po kapag mataas naman po yung reading nito, then positive naman po siya. Okay, so here, high reading is seen as positive in net change in employment. Okay, then we also have average hourly earnings month over month para po sa USD. Again, as we all know, kapag po mataas yung naging resulta po nito, then that will be a bullish scenario or bullish sentiment for the USD. Then we also have average hourly earnings year over year. So 4% po yung forecast. Then non-farm payroll. So ito po yung pinaka inaabangan ng lahat. So non-farm payroll at around 8:30 p.m. on Friday. Then finally, we have ISM services PMI. PMI at around 10 p.m. Okay? So ang forecast po is 50 or 53 rather. Ang previous po niya is 53.6 and then on Friday, ang ina-expect po ay 53. So again, as we all know, a result above 50 is positive. So yan po yung mga kailangan nating bantayan o kailangan po nating iwasan if you don't want trading the high impact news. Yan po yung mga kailangan po nating alamin para makaiwas po tayo sa volatility. Okay? So to start our trading session for today, as we all know, ang sinisimulan po natin as always ay the DXY. Okay? So last trading session, we analyzed or what we saw from this one is a possible pullback. So ang analysis po natin dito last time is a possible pullback from its previous resistance that may turn into support. So ang tinitignan po natin is right around this level. So ito pong previous resistance right here ay confluence po siya sa 38.2 Fibonacci level as well as sa atin pong 50% Fibonacci level. Okay? So as we can see, bumagsak po siya hanggang dito. Then, nagkaroon po kaagad ng continuation. So kung mapapansin po natin, pagkatapos po niyang mag-pullback, nag-react po siya dito sa first support natin which is this previous resistance. Right? So as we can see, nagkaroon po ng pullback, then nag-react po siya dito sa previous resistance and then as we can see, nagkakaroon din po siya ng movement na katulad po nito. So this is a bullish scenario for the DXY. So as we can see, nag-create po siya ng double bottom, right? So here clearly we have this double bottom for the DXY. Then as we can see, the price breaks out this minor resistance right here. So ang ina-expect po natin dito is for the price to pull back into this previous resistance which is nagko-confluence po siya sa 38.2 Fibonacci level. So ito po yung original na analysis natin which is magkakaroon po siya ng movement to the upside and then retracement up to this level but the price didn't respond o hindi po siya nag-react based sa atin pong analysis. So ang ginawa po niya again is nag-react po siya agad dito sa previous support and then nag-create po siya ng double bottom. Then following the double bottom, nagkaroon po ng breakout sa atin pong minor resistance. Okay? So our major resistance is right around here. So ito pong maliit na resistance dito is considered a minor resistance. So what we can expect for this one right now is for the price to make a continuation to the upside. So since nagkaroon na po ng breakout sa ating minor resistance, ang titingnan po natin kasunod dyan is for the price to make a complete turnaround. So coming from this retracement, so let's see if the price could make a complete turnaround. So what we want to see for this one is for the price to break this resistance level. So as we can see, we also have this Darvas box. So meron po tayong na-form na Darvas box and the price is now sitting on its resistance zone. So while the price is sitting on its resistance zone, we can see that the price is slowly reacting into it. As we can see, kapag po na-break ng on a longer term view, or kung i-zoom out po natin yung chart, as we can see, kapag po nalampasan na nitong price action, itong recent resistance na meron po tayo ngayon, ang susunod po niyang resistance level is right around this area. Okay? As we can see, this is a previous resistance turned into support right here. The price breaks this level, and then the price is now trying to come back into this level again. Okay? So we can put a note into these levels para po pag bumaba tayo sa ating lower time frames, aware po tayo na meron po tayong mga resistance dito. Okay? So what we can do for this one as of the moment is, let's see if the price can break this level. So what we want to see here is for the price to make a continuation to the upside until it reach its resistance zone. So let's see if the price could break this level, this recent resistance na kinalalagyan po niya ngayon. So tingnan po natin kung mabibreak niya po itong current resistance na to. Then kung mabreak po ng price itong resistance level na kinalalagyan niya ngayon, then we can expect for the price to go back up into this next resistance that we have right here. Then if you are a day trader, para po sa ating 1 hour time frame, so meron din po tayong mga opportunities na nakikita ngayon. So as we can see, we have this breakout from its trend line. Then as we can see, after the breakout, so we are still waiting for the reaction nitong price action po na to. So as we can see, nagkaroon po siya ng breakout dito sa Darvas box na to, which is our 1 hour time frame again. So if you bought into this breakout candle, so you are in a long position right now. So let's say for example, binili po natin tong breakout candle na to. Then let's just put our stop loss just below our swing low. Then for our target, let's say for the sake of simplicity, let's try to aim for at least 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Okay? But the thing that we need to remember is currently nagre-resist pa po siya sa atin pong daily time frame resistance. So ang second resistance po natin is right here, right? Ang second resistance po natin sa daily time frame is right above here. But right now, this is our current resistance level. Okay? So pwede po natin siyang lagyan ng note. So this is our current daily time frame resistance. So if you are a day trader and if you want to trade this this price action right now, so I wouldn't recommend to trade this Darvas box. So what we can do is, since meron na po tayong breakout nitong trend line na to, and then we can also see, so ito po yung longer term view na trend line, and we also have this short term view na trend line po natin dito. So as you can see, na-break na po nitong price action, itong trend line, itong shorter term view trend line. Then as you can see, the price reach our resistance level, our current resistance level para po sa ating daily time frame. So what we can expect for this one is for the price to make a pullback, and then most likely a continuation to the upside. So ito po yung pwedeng maging scenario para po dito sa DXY for the 1 hour time frame. Okay? As we can see for this time frame, so we have this support level, which is our previous support right here turned into resistance. Then the price broke it. Then we are now expecting for the price to react into this resistance level, and then we can expect for the price to react again into this resistance zone. Then once the price pullback, then we can expect for it to make a reaction into this support level. Then pwede po tayo mag-expect ng continuation to the upside. Okay? So yun po yung mga possible scenarios na nakikita po natin para sa 1 hour time frame po nitong DXY. Okay? So having said that, let's now proceed po para sa ating 7 major pairs. So for our first um, major pair, so we analyzed Aussie dollar last time, and then as we can see, the price continued to go down. So what we are expecting for this one last time is for the price to break this support level. As we can see, we have this double top right here. So ang analysis po natin dito last time was the price reacted into this resistance. So just to refresh. So we saw that the price reacted into this resistance. Then the price came down. Pagbaba po ng price, nakita po natin na nagkaroon po ng double bottom right here. Then last time, ang binabantayan po natin is for the support kung mag-hold po siya o magbe-break. Then as we can see, na-break po ng price itong support level. Then this support turn into resistance. Obviously, as we can see, nag-form po siya ng multiple highs. Right? So as we can see, pagka-breakout po niya, so nag-retest po siya ng isang beses, then nag-retest po siya ulit ng pangalawang beses, then nag-retest po siya ulit ng pangatlong beses. So meron po tayong 3 three times po na retest. Right? So 3 times retest into this resistance zone. So kapag po nakakita tayo ng tatlong beses na retest dito sa resistance level, which is our previous support, then as we can see, hindi po niya malampas-lampasan itong resistance na to. Then as we can see, this is a strong resistance level, right? So we can expect for this one na mag-hold pa rin po. So maybe the price could go back into this resistance zone. So right now we are right here. So if the price decided to go up again dito po sa resistance level na to, then we can expect for the price to make a continuation to the downside, finally breaking this support level down here. Okay, so what we can expect for this one again is for the price to come back into this previous support, which is acting as a resistance right now, and then we can expect for the price na magkaroon po ng continuation to the downside. And then as we can see, nagkakaroon din po siya ng pattern. So this is a flag pattern. So let's see if the price could break this higher channel. Then if the price breaks it sa lower time frame po natin, pwede po tayo magkaroon ng opportunity for a long trade. Then kapag nakakita po tayo ng reaction into this resistance level, then that's the time for us to take profit or maybe take a short trade. Okay, so let's put daily time frame resistance. Dito po sa level na to. Okay, so for our 1 hour time frame, so as we can see, the price is respecting the channel. So as we can see, ito po yung dinrawing natin na channel sa daily time frame, right? As we can see, nagkakaroon po siya ng reaction na ganito. So nagpapabalik-balik lang po siya, right? Then as we can see, the price is now creating we can say na nagkakaroon na po siya ng strong support around this level. And then the price is establishing a Darvas box right here. Okay? So what we can expect for this one is for the price to break this higher channel. We are expecting po for the price to break this higher channel since we are expecting a retest another retest sa atin pong daily time frame resistance. So, ang ina-expect po natin is for the price to break this higher channel. So, we are expecting for this to happen. So, we could wait for a possible breakout into this higher channel, and then once the price reach our daily time frame resistance, then that's the time for us to take profit or take a short trade for a possible continuation to the downside. Okay? So if the price, kapag po na-break ng price, itong higher channel natin, so we can enter a buy trade right here. Then, nasa atin na po yun kung gusto po nating gawing target itong daily time frame resistance para po ma-take advantage po natin itong possible retest dito sa daily time frame resistance. Okay? So that's the first scenario. Then for our second scenario, then we can expect for the price to invalidate our first analysis. Then the price could break this lower channel. Okay? So kapag ang scenario po na nangyari is na-break po ng price itong lower channel, so pwede po tayong magkaroon maybe ng retest and then for a possible continuation to the downside. Okay? So ito po yung first scenario po natin, which is a retest from our daily time frame resistance. Then our second scenario is for the price to break this lower channel for a possible continuation na po pababa. Okay, so since we are on a strong downtrend. Okay? So that's what we have for the Aussie dollar. So for our next pair, let's try to look at the euro dollar. All right, so for the euro dollar, so what we saw last time for this one is for the price to retest this support level. So ang analysis po natin last time para sa euro dollar ay pwede pong magkaroon ng retest dito sa previous support at ito pong previous support na to is mag-a-act po siya as a new resistance. Right? So kung nanood po kayo last time sa atin pong trading session, so ito po yung ina-expect natin. Then as we can see clearly, the price retested this level. Then as we can see, nagkaroon na po siya ng continuation pababa. So ito po yung ating daily time frame resistance. Then on our 1 hour time frame, as we can see, simula po nung nag-retest po siya, nag-retest po siya dito sa atin pong daily time frame resistance. Then since the retest, obviously sobrang baba na po ng binagsak. So coming from our daily time frame resistance, so kunin na lang po natin itong sa ilalim ng area or ng zone. As you can see, bumagsak po siya ng 145.3 pips. Okay, then nag-retest po ulit siya dito. Then after the retest, so far, bumagsak na po siya ng 125.5 pips. Okay? So yun po yung atin pong analysis last time. So for today, ang ina-expect po natin dito is for the price to make a continuation to the downside. So clearly, the price established a support right here. So we can expect for the price to, since meron na po tayong reaction sa atin pong resistance, so we can expect for the price to maybe create a short bounce again para po dito po sa support level. Then we can expect for the price to break this support, and this support could act as a new resistance for a possible continuation to the downside. So ito po yung pwede po nating i-expect dito po sa euro dollar. So either we saw another retest po sa ating resistance o pwede pong magkaroon tayo ng complete breakout sa atin pong support, and if we can have this retest dito po sa support level, so this could be our next resistance for a possible continuation po pababa. Then as we can see, zooming out the chart, our next support level is right around here. So we have this next support level down here. So clearly, ito po yung previous support, and then this support turn into resistance. So kapag po nagkaroon po ng continuation pababa itong euro dollar, then we can expect for the price to react into this support. Okay? So let's try to look kung meron po tayong another touch. So here, clearly we have multiple touches from this support level. So we can put a note into this one. Then for our 1 hour time frame, if we are about to trade this one as of the moment, so as we can see, sa atin pong 1 hour time frame or sa atin pong day trading time frame, so we have this higher highs and lows na nag-form inside our lower time frame. Then, as we can see, na-break na po ng price itong previous support or our recent higher low. So, ang rule po natin sa atin pong analysis is once the price violated our previous low, then we can expect for the price to make a complete reversal, right? So this is obviously a higher high and low, which is a structure for the uptrend. But since we have this breakout from our recent higher low, then we can expect for this one to make a complete turnaround. So what we can expect for this one inside our, again, our 1 hour time frame is for the price to go back down into this previous support. Then this previous support may act as a new resistance, and then we can expect for the price to make a continuation hanggang dito po sa recent support ng atin pong daily time frame analysis. Okay? So, if you are a day trader, then you can take advantage into this previous support. So, again, this could act as a new resistance for this price or for this pair. Then, kung maglalagay po tayo ng Fibonacci retracement, assuming na ito na po yung ating bottom, as we can see, nagkakaroon na po siya ng reaction dito po sa support, ng ating pong lower time frame. So, as we can see, pwede po tayong magkaroon ng push to the upside or retracement. Then, this previous support or this new resistance, we can expect again that this will turn out to be our new resistance. So, confluence po siya sa 38.2 Fibonacci level. Okay? So, ito po yung pwede nating i-take advantage na opportunity para po dito sa euro dollar. Then, as we can see, as of the moment, nagkakaroon po tayo ng possible engulfing candle dito po sa candlestick na to. So, kung mag-close po siya above this red candle, then this will turn out to be our engulfing candle. And this is a good opportunity for a long trade. So, we can expect for the price to make a bounce off of the support level. Then, pwede po nating ilagay ang atin pong stop loss just below our swing low. Then, for our target, so we can aim for at least 1:1, or we can also make our resistance zone above here as our target. So this will give us a possible 1:1, 1.96 risk to reward ratio, or 1:2. Okay? So ito po yung pwede po nating maging trade dito po sa euro dollar for our 1 hour time frame. Okay? So yun po yung pwede nating i-expect para sa euro dollar. Okay? Then for our next pair, let's try to look at the pound dollar. So dito naman po sa pound dollar, medyo kahawig po siya ni euro dollar. So nag-e-expect rin po tayo ng since na-break po ng since na-break po ng price itong previous support level na to, which is our recent higher low. So we are expecting for this one to act as a new resistance. Then clearly, as we can see, nagkaroon po siya ng retest, right? So after breaking this previous support, then the price retested it, and then the price resisted from this level. So nag-resist po yung price dito sa previous support na to. Then as we can see, the price is now reacting into this current support for our daily time frame. So kahawig lang po siya nung euro dollar, right? So what we can expect para po sa pound dollar for the day is for the price to make a continuation to the downside. So pwede po nating makita na magkaroon ng breakout, complete breakout dito po sa support sa atin pong current low. Then this support, kung magkaroon po ng retest, so we should wait for a retest. Then this support may turn to resistance for a possible continuation to the downside. Then our next support level is right below here, right? Hello, OMG. So later we will try to look at the gold. All right, so this is what we can expect for the pound dollar. So this is again for the daily time frame analysis. Okay, so this is our daily time frame resistance, and right below here is our daily time frame support. So once the price breaks this level, so ulitin lang po natin, kapag po nagkaroon ng breakout dito sa recent or dito sa current support, so pwede po tayong magkaroon ng or pwede po nating i-expect na magkaroon po siya ng bounce dito sa next support po natin sa ilalim. Then kapag po nagkaroon siya ng bounce dito sa support na to, and we can expect for the price to retrace. So pwede po siyang bumalik dito sa previous support at mag-act siya as a new resistance. Then finally, the price will go down. Or most likely, the price will go down. Then for our 1 hour time frame, so as we can see, we don't have a clear structure para po sa ating daily time frame or sa ating pong 1 hour time frame. As we can see, the price is just doing something like this, right? So we are just moving sideways. So we don't have any opportunity to make either a buy or sell para po sa ating 1 hour time frame. So let's just wait kung ano pong gagawin nitong pound dollar inside our 1 hour time frame. But as of the moment, we don't have any opportunity to trade this price action. So hindi po ganun ka-clear yung price action na ino-offer ni pound dollar sa atin pong 1 hour time frame. Okay? So let's just focus on our daily time frame as of the moment. Okay, again, so what we can expect for this one is for the price to break the support. Then we can expect a bounce off of the support level. Then a retest into the support. A retest into this support. Then this support will turn to resistance for a possible continuation to the downside. All right, and then for our next pair, we have New Zealand dollar. So for the New Zealand dollar, so what we saw here last time was the price is just coming back and forth sa atin pong channel. So as we can see, nagkakaroon po siya ngayon again ng reaction dito po sa lower channel. So we are expecting for this one to just bounce again into this higher channel, but the price didn't reach it. The price just reached this level right here. So the price established a resistance. So kapag po nakakita tayo ng nag-establish na siya ng lower high, so this is a good indication that the price could make a continuation to the downside. Okay? So as we can see, the price is just moving in the middle of this channel. But we have this indication that the price could break into this lower channel because we are seeing that the price is creating a lower high. Unlike po dito, hindi po katulad nito sa ating pong previous price action. So, nare-retest po niya yung previous high niya. Right? So, nababalik-balikan po niya yung previous high niya. But this time, ang ginawa po niya is nagkaroon na po siya ng lower high. So, this could be the start for the new trend. So, let's see. So, the price is slowly creating a 1, 2, 3 pattern, right? So, we can expect for the price to make complete breakout. So, pwede po tayong makakita nitong complete breakout nito. Then, the price could retest this previous support. Then, we can expect for the price to retest this level for a possible continuation to the downside. And as we can see, we have the support level. So, clearly, as we can see, nagkakaroon po siya ngayon ng lower high, right? So, this is our recent high, then the price created a lower high right here. Then the price created another lower high right here, right? Then as we can see, we have this possible 1, 2, 3 pattern. Then if the price breaks this level completely, then we can expect para po sa price action na magkaroon po ng retest dito sa previous support, then this previous support most likely magiging resistance or a possible continuation to the downside. So ito po yung babantayan natin ngayon dito. So, ang pwede po nating i-expect for this one is for the price to create a complete breakout. So, sa ngayon po, nagkaroon na siya ng breakout, right? So, meron po tayong breakout with this candle. Then, after the breakout, the price went down up to 83 pips. So, pwede na rin po, no? But as of the moment, hindi pa po ganun ka-convincing because as we can see, nagkaroon po agad siya ng reaction. So, what we want to see is for the price to make a strong breakout for this one. Then a retest into its previous support for a possible continuation to this downside. So ito po yung next scenario na pwede po natin bantayan, which is this leg. Then we can expect for this second leg para po sa ating retest. Okay? All right. So I hope you are learning so far. So if we are going to look on our 1 hour time frame, so as you can see, the price is now creating a lower highs and lows, right? So as you can see, we have this formation, which is our lower highs and lows. Then, as we can see, the price created this recent lower high. So after creating this 1, 2, 3 pattern, as we can see, we have this 1, 2, 3 pattern, right? This is our 1, 2, 3 pattern. Then the price retested this level. Then if we put our Fibonacci retracement, so nakita po natin na nag-react po siya sa atin pong Fibonacci golden zone ratio. And as we can see right now, nagkakaroon rin po agad ulit siya ng reaction sa atin pong 61.8 Fibonacci level. So we can take advantage for this one. So we can take a short trade. Then we can put our stop loss obviously just above our recent swing high. Then we can make this previous low as our target. So this will give us at around 1:1.4 risk to reward ratio. So what we can expect for this one as of the moment is for the price to, since nagkaroon na po siya ng continuation pababa, then nagkakaroon lang po siya ng another retest. So what we can expect inside our 1 hour time frame is for the price to go down and the price could go back into this previous support. Okay? So this is for our day trading time frame. So we have this opportunity as of the moment As we can see, the price is retesting our 61.8 Fibonacci level again. So if we can have a rejection candle around this level, then this is a good opportunity for us to take a short trade. Okay? So sa ngayon po, uh, bantayan po muna natin kung ano po yung susunod na gagawin nitong candlestick na to, since we are sitting on our golden Fibonacci zone. Okay, so ito po yung pwede po nating expect para sa New Zealand dollar, both daily time frame and 1 hour time frame. Okay? Then for our next pair, we have dollar loonie or dollar against Canada. So for this one, last time po, what we are expecting for this one is for the price to make a continuation to the upside. So last time, ang nakita po natin dito is meron po siyang higher highs and lows, right? So if not mistaken, so around here, around here po yung price, if I'm not mistaken. Then we saw na yung price po is niretest po niya itong golden Fibonacci zone po natin. So dito po siya nag-react. So as we can see, we have this double bottom. The price formed a double bottom at exactly the 61.8 and 78.6 Fibonacci level. Then since reaching the support level, the price goes up and the price went back up sa kanya pong previous high, right? Then as we can see as of the moment, so pwede po nating i-expect na magkaroon po siya ulit ng the same scenario. So obviously, meron po tayo ngayong nakikita na higher high and low. Okay? So ito po yung ating 1, 2, 3 pattern as of the moment for the dollar Canada. So we can expect for this one to make a retracement and then a continuation to the upside. So para po magkaroon tayo ng clue kung saan babagsak tong or kung saan siya magki-create ng next higher low. So we can use our Fibonacci retracement. Then we can expect for this one na mag-react po dito sa ating golden Fibonacci support or golden Fibonacci zone. Okay? So we can expect for this one to go down into this level, the support level, and then the price could make a continuation to the upside. Then we can expect for it to make a retest sa kanya pong previous high. Okay? So we can put a note into this level. So ito po yung ating daily time frame support. Or sorry, we are on the 1 hour time frame. So sorry. Let's go to the daily time frame. So for the daily time frame, so we can see that the price is just retesting its resistance level. And we have the support level down here. So obviously, we are just moving sideways. For our daily time frame, we are just moving sideways, but the price started to create a higher low right here. Okay? So what we want to see is for the price to make a complete breakout sa kanya pong resistance level, then we want to see pullback sa kanya pong resistance for a possible continuation to the upside. So ang original trend po niya starting from this bottom is bullish, right? So umaakyat po siya and then nagki-create po siya ng higher highs and lows. But right now, it's struggling from this sideways move, right? But going back sa atin pong 1 hour time frame, so ito po, since nasa resistance level na po tayo ng daily time frame, so pwede na po nating i-expect na magkakaroon na po ito ng movement to the downside. Then we can again expect for it to react into this golden Fibonacci level. Okay? So let's see kung magkakaroon po siya ng same reaction as this one. So ito po yung pwede nating i-expect para sa US dollar against Canadian dollar. Okay? Both daily and 1 hour time frame. Then for our next pair, we have dollar Swiss. So for this one, so clearly we have a breakout from its previous resistance. So this is a violation from this previous high or this previous lower high, right? So again, if you still remember, kapag po downtrend and kapag po na-breakout ng price itong previous high, then we can expect for the price to make a reversal. So kung makikita po ninyo, ito po ngayon, ito pong pattern na to, ito pong pattern na to, na movement na to. So ito po ngayon yung ginagawa ng price action. So as you can see, we have this um, movement to the downside, this 1, 2, 3 pattern to the downside. Then we saw that the price breaks this previous high. Then the price created a higher low, and the price is now trying to go back up. So as you can see, ito pong ito pong drawing na to, ito pong example na to, ito po yung pwede ring gawin nitong dollar Swiss ngayon. Okay? So what we can expect for this one is for the price to go back sa kanya pong recent high. So ito po yung recent high na kinreate ng price. So clearly, if we analyze this one, retrace po siya sa 50% Fibonacci level. Right? So this is also an important support zone. So retrace po siya sa 50% Fibonacci level. Then the price started to make a higher low. So we have a higher low right here, and we are expecting for the price to break this resistance, and we are expecting for the price to make a continuation to the upside for a possible complete reversal. Okay, so this is our daily time frame analysis, and for our 1 hour time frame analysis, so let's try to look for an opportunity. So this is our daily time frame resistance. Then on our 1 hour time frame, so as you can see, we have a an uptrend inside our daily time frame or inside our 1 hour time frame. As you can see, ito po yung example na dinodrawing natin kanina sa daily time frame, right? As you can see, meron po tayong lower highs and lows. Then, nagkaroon po ng breakout dito sa previous high. Then, nagkaroon po siya ng complete reversal, right? So, ito rin po yung pwedeng mangyari sa daily time frame, which is we are expecting right now. So, if we are going to look at the 1 hour time frame as of the moment, so we have this 1, 2, 3 pattern. Then, the price is now pulling back. So if the price pull back into this previous support, so we can expect for the price to make a continuation to the upside once the price reach this support level. Okay, so this is what we are expecting. So the price could go back down into this support level, then the price could make a continuation to the upside. All right, then for our next resistance, so ang next resistance po natin is yung atin pong daily time frame resistance na. Okay? So if you want to buy around this level, so this is a good opportunity for us to take a long trade. Then nasa atin na po 'yon kung gusto po nating i-manage yung trade natin hanggang sa makarating po yung price dito po sa daily time frame resistance. Kung makakarating man po siya dito. But of course, it will take time. Okay? So again, what we are expecting for this one is for the price to pull back into this support and then make a continuation to the upside. All right? Then finally, for our last major pair, we have dollar yen. And for our daily time frame, so as we can see, we have a very, very bullish price action right here. So we have a previous resistance right here that was broken. And then we are sitting on our current resistance zone. So we can expect for the price to react into this resistance. Then we can expect for the price to go back down into this support. Then the price could make another push to the upside. So ito po yung pwede nating i-expect na susunod na movement ng dollar yen. So pwede po tayong magkaroon ng retracement pabalik po dito sa support. Then pwede pong pag bumagsak sa support yung price, pwede po siyang bumalik ulit pataas dito po sa resistance. Okay, and then for our 1 hour time frame, as we can see, we also have a bullish price action right here. So we have this pattern. So what we can see here for our 1 hour time frame is the price is now pulling back. So we have the support inside our 1 hour time frame, but um, for me, it's better to just wag na lang po muna nating i-trade ang dollar yan sa atin pong 1 hour time frame, because as we can see, the price recently breaks its previous low, right? The price recently break its previous low, then the price created another move to the upside. So what we want to see is for the price to clear this resistance zone first before trading this pair, right? So what I want to see here is for the price to move outside this resistance zone, right? So remember, this zone right here is a daily time frame. So this is a daily time frame resistance. Okay? So ang gusto ko pong makita is clear po muna ng price action itong daily time frame resistance. Kapag po umabot na siya dito, then that means meron na po siyang strong momentum para i-trade po itong dollar yen for our 1 hour time frame. But as of the moment, since we are inside the resistance zone ng daily time frame, so better avoid this one for now. Okay? So that's it for our 7 major pairs. So let's try to look at the gold as per OMG's request. So for the XAU USD, so what we are expecting for this one last time is for the price to react into our daily time frame resistance. Then we are expecting for the price to move to the downside for a possible continuation to its downtrend. But the price didn't respond according to our analysis. And we also have an analysis for our lower time frame. So for our lower time frame, so we have this breakout opportunity last time. So if you bought into our into this breakout, so clearly we reach our target, right? So if you bought into our uh, 1 hour time frame analysis last time, so this is a winning trade for us. But for our daily time frame analysis, so clearly the price didn't respected the analysis that we've done last time. So as of the moment, kung titignan po natin siya, so nagkaroon na po siya ng breakout dito po sa ibabaw nitong previous low, right? So we can expect for the price of the gold to reach this resistance again. So if the momentum is strong enough to push the market to the upside, then we can expect for the gold to reach 2038 up to $2,067. So this is the next target. So we are looking for the gold to reach again 2038. 2038 up to 2000 around 2066 or 67. 2000, let's just say 67. Okay? So this is the next level that we are looking for the gold. So if you are long, kung long po kayo ngayon sa gold, so as we can see, we have a breakout from its previous high. So with this green candle, so kung long po kayo ngayon sa gold, so medyo okay pa naman po siya. So as we can see, after the breakout, the price consolidated, right? So the price just consolidated after the breakout, and the price is trying to build the Darvas box, right? So the price of the gold as of the moment, is trying to build the Darvas box for our daily time frame after the breakout from its previous high. So what we want to see here is for the price to react into this previous high, react into it, and then what we want to see is for the price to break it. Okay, so this is what we want to see for the price of this gold, or this is what we want to see for the gold to do. Okay, ito po yung gusto nating makita na maging scenario po, the next scenario that we want to see for the gold, right? So what we want to see is for the price of this gold of the gold to just consolidate near the highs, and then finally a breakout. Okay, if the price breaks this previous high, then we can expect for the gold to reach this previous level of resistance. Okay, again, this is 2038 level up to 2067. So this is what we want to see for the gold. So clearly the price, as we can see, clearly the price is creating lower high and low. So this is our recent 1, 2, 3 pattern, right? So this is our recent 1, 2, 3. So what we are expecting last time is for the price to make another lower high and a continuation to the downside. And clearly, hindi po yun yung ginawa ng price. At ang ginawa po ng price is violate po niya yung previous high natin dito, right? So nagkaroon po tayo ng violation dito sa previous high. So since na-break na po ng gold yung previous resistance, then we are expecting for this one to revisit this next resistance or this previous high that we have right here. All right, and for our 1 hour time frame, as we can see, the Darvas box is intact. So we have this Darvas box pattern. So if we are about to, or if we are going to draw it on for our 1 hour time frame, so this is our Darvas box for the gold. Okay. So what we want to see here again is for the price to break this resistance level. So kapag po na-break na ng price itong resistance level, then we can expect for a retest and then a continuation to the upside. Okay? So ito po yung pwede po nating i-expect sa gold. Alright, so that's it po for our analysis for today, beginning into the DXY and the 7 major pairs, and finally for the gold, which most of you are requesting. So any question po before we end, or any chart requests? Alright, so before we end, again, I would like to invite all of you na use this promo code if you are going to deposit into your live trading account. So the promo code is PaulJM100. So if you deposit and if you use this uh, code, this promo code, then there's a deposit bonus. Okay? So we can take advantage of this para po magkaroon tayo ng mas mataas na buying power. All right? Hello, Teng Chuan NG. So sure, let's try to look at the Dow Jones. So let me just give me one moment, please. You are very much welcome, John Michael Mendoza. All right, so let's try to look at the Dow Jones. Okay, so for the Dow Jones, so as we can see, we have a lower high and low as of the moment. So clearly, what the price did last time, if we check on the DNA of the price action, so the DNA of the price action was the price is creating lower highs and lows, then the price tried to make a reversal, right? But as of the moment, the price is now repeating its DNA. So as we can see, the price respected the lower highs and lows around this area, right? And then as we can see, the price is now repeating its pattern. So we have these recent swing highs and lows, and this is obviously on short-term view, this is a bearish movement, right? So what we can expect for the Dow Jones is for the price to make another lower high and then another breakout to the downside for a continuation to this bearish movement. Then as we can see, we have our next support lining around this level. So for this one, what we can expect is for the price to react into our um golden zone, Fibonacci golden zone. So if we take a look at our previous data, beginning from our previous high to our recent low, the price respected the 50% Fibonacci level. Okay? So if we are going to apply it right now, so if the price reacted to this 50% Fibonacci level, just like our previous data, then we can expect for the price to create a lower high right here, and then we can expect for the price to drop up to this next support. Okay, so this is what we can expect for the Dow Jones. Okay, so we can also make this as our big resistance. So beginning on our 50% Fibonacci level up to our 78.6 Fibonacci level. So this is our next big resistance for the Dow Jones. All right. But for now, let's just focus on the 50% Fibonacci level since this is the previous data that we have. Or the previous price action respected this level. Okay. But let's still keep an eye on our Fibonacci golden zone. All right. So this is what we can expect for the Dow Jones. All right. So thanks, Teng Chuan NG or Teng Chuan Nan for the chart request. So any question, anyone, before we end? All right. So before we end, again, I would like to invite all of you to please join our Telegram channel. So makikita nyo po yung link sa description box po. Sa ilalim po nitong sa ilalim po ng description box. So click nyo lang po yung link kung gusto nyo pong mag-join sa ating Telegram channel. So doon po sa Telegram channel na yon is makaka-access po kayo sa latest events, news, and current trends po. Tsaka po sa mga economic calendar, which is very, very important. Right? So para po magkaroon kayo um, ng idea kung ano po yung mga uh, high impact news. So doon po sa loob po ng Telegram channel is regularly ina-announce po siya. Okay? So hello Kenneth Gonzalez. So thanks for requesting dollar against peso. Sure, let's try to look at the dollar against peso. So, for this one, last time we are expecting for the price to reach this level, which is around 57 pesos, right? If I'm not mistaken. Ang huling analysis po natin sa dollar against peso is for the price na i-revisit po niya yung 57 pesos. So checking the 4-hour time frame, so as we can see, nagsa-sideways pa rin po siya sa support na na-establish niya. So ang support na na-establish po natin is around 56.42 up to 56.51. So between 56.42 and 56.51, ito po yung lowest na narating po nitong dollar peso since September 1 pa po, right? Then we have our resistance at around 57. So ang last time po na narating ng dollar peso yung 57 is around or 57.11 and between 57.11 and 57.14 is last September 26, right? And as we can see, last time po, nakarating po siya ulit ng 57. So in this candle po, this candle, na-revisit po niya ulit yung 57 last October 26. So ito po yung hinihintay nating mangyari, no? Ito po yung gusto nating makita, na makarating siya ulit ng 57. Kasi po kapag po nakarating siya ng 57, ay pwede po tayong mag-expect na magtuloy-tuloy po siya hanggang sa makarating po siya dito sa daily time frame resistance. But as of the moment, kung makikita po ninyo, hindi po siya makaangat-angat pa. So nasa 56.80 pa rin po siya as of the moment. So pagkatapos po niyang bumalik sa 57, bumagsak po siya ulit hanggang 56.72. Okay? Pagbalik po niya ng 56.72, then dito lang po siya naglalaro ngayon. So same pa rin po yung analysis natin sa dollar peso. So between 56.47 and 57.10, then ang highest po is 57.14 pa rin po yung range po natin for the dollar against peso. Okay? So ito po yung nakikita natin sa dito po sa pair na to ngayon, sa dollar against peso. But if you are going to analyze this one right now, so clearly hindi po natin masasabi kung babagsak o tataas po ba siya. Okay? But I am still expecting for this one to revisit the 57-ish level since we are creating this trend line. Okay? So as we can see, every time po na nire-revisit niya itong level na to, so doon po siya nagkakaroon ng reaction. So nagke-create po siya ng mini higher lows. Kung titignan po natin siya sa 1-hour time frame, so nagke-create pa rin po siya ng higher lows. Ang kulang na lang po dito is ma-revisit po niya itong 57.10 or 57.11 up to 57.14. Then kapag nagka-breakout po dito, and pwede na po tayong mag-expect na pumasok po siya ulit dito. Around 57.19 to 57.98 or 58 pesos. Okay, so medyo ano pa po siya ngayon, no? Sa ngayon po, medyo malabo pa. Since we are just moving sideways. Alright, so I think that's it for our trading session for today. So salamat po sa lahat ng nanood at sa lahat po ng nag-join para po sa trading session natin ngayong gabi. Once again, this is Paul Mendoza, your trading analyst. Bye!